As the gentle warmth of spring settles in and nature awakens in soft greens and delicate blooms, May Day offers the perfect opportunity to refresh your home with rustic charm. This season is all about simplicity, light, and natural beauty. In this video, we'll explore how to create a cozy, vintage-inspired spring aesthetic that feels both timeless and inviting using easy, thoughtful touches. May Day celebrates renewal, growth, and the simple joys of nature coming back to life. Bringing this spirit into your home doesn't require elaborate decorations. Instead, focus on meaningful details like fresh flowers, soft textures, and handmade accents that reflect the gentle rhythm of the season and the warmth of rustic living. Start your transformation with a calming color palette inspired by nature. Think muted pastels, creamy whites, soft sage greens, and warm earthy tones. These colors create a soothing foundation that enhances natural light and makes your home feel fresh, airy, and effortlessly welcoming. Rustic decor thrives on authenticity, so bring in natural materials like wood, linen, burlap, and wicker. Weathered wooden trays, woven baskets, and linen table runners instantly create texture and warmth, grounding your space in a cozy, countryside aesthetic that feels lived in and comforting. Nothing says spring like flowers. Use a mix of fresh blooms such as daisies, tulips, or wildflowers alongside dried arrangements for a layered look. Display them in mason jars, vintage pitchers, or repurposed glass bottles to enhance that charming rustic feel. Set the tone for your home by styling your entryway with simple seasonal touches. A small wooden bench, a basket filled with flowers, or a wreath made of greenery and twigs can instantly create a warm and inviting first impression for anyone who walks through your door. Transform your dining area into a springtime haven with a simple tablescape. Layer neutral linens with wooden chargers, ceramic dishes, and small floral arrangements. Add candles or lanterns to create a soft glow, making even everyday meals feel special and connected to the season. Vintage pieces bring character and history into your decor. Look for antique frames, old books, enamelware, or distressed furniture. These elements tell a story and blend beautifully with rustic styling, adding depth and authenticity to your spring aesthetic. Swap out heavy winter textiles for lighter fabrics like cotton and linen. Sheer curtains, soft throw blankets, and breathable cushion covers help your home feel open and refreshed, allowing sunlight to flow through and highlight your seasonal decor. Design small, cozy nooks where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of spring. A comfortable chair, a soft throw, and a small side table with a vase of flowers can become a peaceful retreat, perfect for reading or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Handmade touches add a personal and heartfelt element to your space. Try simple DIY projects like hand-tied floral bundles, painted wooden signs, or repurposed jars. These small details make your decor unique and reflect the charm of rustic living. Open your home to the outdoors by incorporating greenery and natural elements. Potted plants, branches, or even a bowl of seasonal fruits can create a connection to nature, reinforcing the fresh and lively spirit of May Day. Update your shelves and mantelpieces with seasonal styling. Mix greenery, vintage finds, candles, and small decorative items in balanced arrangements. Keep it simple and uncluttered to maintain that light, breathable spring aesthetic. Incorporate gentle nods to May Day traditions, such as ribbons, small floral garlands, or delicate wreaths. These subtle accents enhance the seasonal theme without overwhelming your space, keeping the overall look elegant and relaxed. The beauty of rustic decor lies in its simplicity. Avoid over-decorating and instead focus on a few meaningful pieces that bring joy and comfort. Let each item have a purpose, creating a space that feels calm, balanced, and thoughtfully curated. Use soft lighting, natural scents like lavender or fresh linen, and cozy textures to build an inviting atmosphere. These sensory details enhance the overall experience of your home, making it a place where you truly enjoy spending time during the spring season. Rustic May Day decor is all about celebrating the beauty of simplicity, nature, and timeless charm. By incorporating soft colors, natural materials, and thoughtful accents, you can create a peaceful and welcoming home that reflects the joy of spring. Let your space bloom with gentle elegance, and enjoy every cozy moment this beautiful season brings.